Hi, hello and welcome to my channel Cricket Tricks. I'm Vijay Sima. Today we'll be giving the post-match analysis of third test match between India versus England, and also we'll be giving the pre-match analysis of fourth test match between India versus England, and also we'll be giving the probable 11s of both the teams, and also we'll be giving the key players, and also the predicted winning team we'll be giving from this time as well.
To the post-match analysis, surprisingly, India won the toss and elected to bat first. But after that, to be honest, nothing went in India's favour. Rahul got out for golden duck, while Pujara and Kohli got out for single-digit scores. It was only two players who were in double digits. They were Rohit and Rahane, scoring 18 and 19 respectively. Rest all nine players were in single-digit scores. Obviously, the total score was not great, and India were bowled out just for 78 runs. Pick of the bowlers were Anderson and Craig Overton, while Robinson and Curran picked couple of wickets. In response to this, England started very smartly, and the man who expected to score runs finally showed his potential and justified his team selection. It's none other than Hasib Hamid, a player to look out for in England cricket. Always hunger to score runs. Even Rory Burns played well. Both the openers scored 50s, an opening stand of 135 runs. Then David Mullen and Joe Root carried on from where the openers had left, and England scored 432 runs. Joe Root, the captain of England team, just showing the world why he is greatest of all time by scoring one more century, that too by not consuming much time in the crease. Shami was pick of the bowlers, took 4 for, while Bumrah, Siraj and Jadeja took couple of wickets. India in second innings again didn't get the start that they were looking for. Rahul got out for single digit again, but then there was that resistance shown from India. Rohit, Pujara and Kohli all scored 50s, gave India a glimmer of hope. But once these guys got out, it was an easy job for England, and none of the other Indian batsmen were good in their short selections especially. For England, Ollie Robinson was pick of the bowlers as he took a fifer. Craig Overton was also impressive by taking 3 wickets, while Anderson and Moeen Ali took a wicket each. So it was a solid victory for England. Not only they just won it, they won by an innings and also 76 runs margin. Ollie Robinson was named as man of the match. So let's wait and watch how will be the India's reply in the fourth test. Let's start with the pre-match analysis. With the series 1-1, both the teams will be waiting for this match. England would be starting with a very confident note. Not to forget, considering the recent test series, India have done well whenever they have lost by an innings. So considering all these aspects, expecting the game to be a cracker of contest. Okay, coming to the probable 11 of England team. Rory Burns, Hasib Hamid, David Malan, Joe Root, Johnny Bairstow, since Josh Butler would not be in the playing 11, Oli Pope or Dan Lawrence would be replacing him. Moeen Ali, Chris Wokes, Oli Robinson, Mark Wood, and James Anderson to be in the playing 11. And coming to the India's playing 11, KL Rahul, Rohit Sharma, Chiteshwar Pujara, Virat Kohli, Ajinkya Rahane, Rishabh Pant, Ravindra Jadeja. Either Ravichandran Ashwin, Shardul Thakur might replace Ishant Sharma here. Mohammad Shami, Jasprit Bumrah, and Mohammad Siraj expected to be in the playing 11. We are giving the key players here in case if you are doing any fantasy teams, you can opt these guys, and hopefully these guys will fetch a lot of points. Okay, first is KL Rahul. You can make this guy as vice captain. He is expected to score runs. Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, and Joe Root. You can make Joe Root as captain considering his form. David Malan, you can choose him. And Rishabh Pant, Bumrah, Anderson, Oli Robinson, Mohammad Siraj, and Mohammad Shami as well. Considering how the series is progressing, I would like to say India would be favorites, though they lost in the previous match. So predicted winning team is India. Both the team will be having few changes in their lineups considering the injuries and the recent performances. Joe Butler would not be available for England as he needs to go back for the birth of his second child. That's a forced change. So Bairstow will be taking the gloves. Let's see how the response from India after the huge defeat in the previous match. Let's expect for a good contest. Okay, if you have liked the content, Kindly like, share, and subscribe and help us to grow. Thank you.